What's up guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Nobis Hotel in Stockholm, Sweden. Welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the Nobis Hotel in Stockholm, Sweden. This hotel is a member of the design hotel brand in the Marriott portfolio. When you first arrive at the Nobis, you'll be greeted by an outdoor patio area where there is food served to the public. Upon walking in, the front desk is to the right of the door. For the room, we will be reviewing a 1 king essential. The bed was comfortable and soft. The bathroom was very clean and luxurious. I had a great view out into the plaza right outside of the hotel on the front side on the second floor. Moving on to other parts of the hotel. For breakfast, it is downstairs in the lobby at the Noi restaurant. The breakfast buffet was 220 krona, which is about 20 USD. There was a lounge above Noi, which served drinks and snacks. It was a great place to sit down and relax. The lobby also had a gold bar. On the first floor there was a small lounge area that was more away from the public. For the gym, it had cardio equipment, free weights, and some weight machines. Now onto my thoughts and ratings. For the location, it was a 10 out of 10. The hotel was right in the middle of everything. It had the harbor within a 30-second walk, design stores right next to the hotel, and plenty of restaurants all around within walking distance. For the service, it was also a 10 out of 10. The staff were incredibly welcoming and nice. Whenever we sat down in the lounge, we never waited more than a minute or two before someone came up and offered us drinks. The restaurant staff were also very kind and made sure we were very comfortable. For the food, it was a 7 out of 10. While the food did taste great and the breakfast buffet was probably one of the best buffets I've ever had, pricing was a little off. While the menus presented a good price, when I received my hotel bill, there was an added 12.5% to 25% tax for food and drinks. I did not like this surprise, and while it was the type of tax that the hotel probably can't control, it would have been nice to have been notified upon that on check-in. Lastly, for the room, I unfortunately have to give it a 5 out of 10. While the bed was comfortable and the room was kept clean the whole time, the room was incredibly hot. While we were in Stockholm, Stockholm, it was around 70-80 degrees Fahrenheit the whole time. The air conditioning at the hotel did nothing, and when I went to open the window, there was no breeze. For the bonus category, I will give it a +2 bonus for the gym. It had a bunch of weight equipment that normally doesn't happen in Europe, and while it didn't have extremely heavy weights, it was the most I've seen in Europe. For me personally, waking up and getting a good workout in is a must. It helps me enjoy my day better, and so the 2 points were well worth it. So all in all, the Nobis Hotel in Stockholm received a 34 out of 40. That's not too bad. Have you ever stayed at the Nobis Hotel in Stockholm? If so, what was your experience? What did you think of the video? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.